Hello, my name is Jonathan. I'm the Assistant Service Manager here at Kingsway Honda, and today we're going to be talking about a battery test, which is a complimentary service here at Honda. Here at Kingsway Honda, our Honda trained technician will use a battery tester to perform a battery test on your vehicle. The test will take less than 5 minutes and will give you an instant result on the health of the battery and the condition, and will give us a report on if the battery is in good condition or not. With the battery test, it will give us the condition of the battery, and it will give us a good battery test or a bad battery test. So here's a good battery test. And this is a bad battery test, meaning that the battery has to be replaced. With the changing weather and winter coming up, you want to ensure that your battery is in good condition to ensure that your vehicle will start up each and every time, and you don't want to be stranded in the cold weather as well. So please come into Kingsway Honda and we will get a free battery test on your vehicle.
Destination Auto Group, your journey